Good morning. It is day 2 of our California trip, essentially. But yeah, so basically right now it's a little rainy outside in LA. It's a little gloomy. We saw quite a bit of, raindrops. Sorry, I can't even see through this. There you go. But it's a bit rainy. It was pouring earlier, so now we're trying to figure out how we want to go about, maneuvering in the rain. We're getting up later. We just went to the gym. This is changing. I am trying to dry off our clothes, and then I'm going to charge you guys because yesterday we pretty much our battery nearly died in the park, and we only have one battery. Amateur vloggers, so basically that's what's going on. Trying to help pack up some things too. So yeah, so we'll take you on to California Adventure. We have no idea what we want to buy in terms of merchandise wise, but we'll just kind of walk around, see what's there. We're gonna try out the new Spider-Man ride too, so that's gonna be exciting. So yeah, so we'll just kind of see what the day brings us. Alright, so we are now inside the park.
So we'll have a little reprieve from the rain, so it's not raining yet now. It's nice, we're in the park. We're going to make our way to, there it is, get some shots over there.
Oh, there you go.
We're glad to be back, decked out.
Yep.
It wasn't as cloudy last time we were here, but that's okay. We're just going to make the most of what we did yesterday. I'm going to take you guys along and we can join our 1-month anniversary in this area officially. So, first headed to Midway Mania for another shooter. Started off with Liz needs to redeem herself. Yesterday, Buzz-Ear Blasters.
Hang on. You didn't destroy me. You only won by
Ended.
600 points?
No.
Something like that?
100,000.
Sure. Yeah, we're gonna redeem myself, guys. Gotta redeem myself.
The line looks pretty short right now, so we're just hustling over there now. We have Webslingers at 12:30. But alright, let's go get a ride in. So they temporarily shut down the ride for a little bit. We gave ourselves 35 minutes to wait. Ready to go. For the record, I let it pass on him. But I think she's serious now. No mercy. And, here we go. See what we got? That was good. She caught up. I was ahead by so much, and then she was going behind by 3,000. I'm like, oh no, it's getting serious. Mom was getting tired, but that was fun. First ride done with the California Adventures.
That's the same exact accuracy.
I know, huh? Same accuracy. This is making it come back. I got scared, but that's fun. you got there?
So this is the spicy apple cider margarita, and it's very spicy.
Is it spicy? But flavorful?
I actually like it. It's a combination of flavors, and I'm so used to drinking apple cider vinegar at home.
Gotcha. So what I didn't realize is the Festival of the Holidays, which is basically a food festival, which we would have been more than happy to do. I mean, maybe baseball stag be more things around, but pretty cool. I think we did something similar to this at SeaWorld.
Yeah.
Watch our video.
Here, try it out.
Spicy.
Yeah.
This is some of my.
Sure.
Oh.
Right.
Oh, that's a kick. Back over here. But it's good though.
Yeah. We're kind of trying to kill an hour because we're trying to stake out this Lamplight Lounge.
There's people gathering around there a little bit, so
Yeah.
it opened till 11:30. But last time we lined up pretty early, like an hour ahead.
Mhm.
Luckily, there's
Yeah.
a live building, so it's
Yeah.
first come, first serve, I believe. So we want to be first come and first serve.
So
So
we're probably gonna head over there.
yeah,
Yeah. Actually, we went there about 3 years ago. No, 4 years ago.
6 years ago,
6 years ago now. Oh my gosh.
2017.
Yeah.
Was that 5 years ago?
Yeah, 5 years
Can't be
ago.
mad. Sorry.
So basically, we went there as boyfriend and girlfriend. Now we are going there.
Married.
Married. California Adventure. After we went on the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, we ended up just going to one of the wineries, and then we also decided to just do a bit of shopping because we had a lot of souvenirs that we kind of wanted to buy. So anyway, so we're actually driving back to Phoenix today, and I just wanted to show you this. Well, there's not much to see now, but but there was like snow all over the I-8, and so that was something to.
Yeah, it's really cold. Like right now, my car is saying it's 36 degrees, and usually it doesn't rain in December. I mean, I've driven back and forth, between pharmacy school and San Diego, and it usually doesn't rain in December. So I mean, to see like snow like that is, I've never really come across that.
I'll probably insert a couple of clips of what I got on my phone, but basically, yeah. So that's just
It's quite cold. Even with my defrost on, my windows are icing a little bit up front, so it's cold. But luckily we're toasty inside the car, and should be home by around 2 o'clock to just relax, do some stuff. And
we're probably gonna go grocery shopping for the week and try to figure that stuff out, figure out what to eat for dinner, maybe exercise. But yeah, we'll see with that. I wanted to close out this vlog and say thanks for watching. We hope to post more at some point. We've
been backlogged lately with wedding planning and everything like that. So